We're at the Tom James project. We ground out the high spots yesterday and also chipped up approximately 250 feet of tile. Now we are screeding. Well, we primed the concrete first, and then of course now we're screeding the low spots prior to installing a 12 millimeter laminate product that should take us another 3 days or so, I think. That's the proper way to do floor prep. You assess your subfloor first prior to installing your product, and it'll ensure that your product warranty stays for a long time to come. And that's 90% of the time. That's why they turn down warranties, is lack of attention to subfloor preparation. So as you can see, now we have some time to wait for this underlayment to dry. Here you go. I'm going to show you how to screed a floor the proper way. We've already screeded half the room. Now we're going to start from this wall over here and screed again. Start off with about a half a bucket, see where it gets us. You don't want to put too much because then you defeat the purpose and end up having to grind wherever you put too much. So it's very important that you put the self-leveler where it goes the first time. Looks like it ran low. A little bit more. That's not supposed to happen. That will continue. Wash it off in the hose. You can use a trowel to pull it as needed. Come by, check it. Make sure you don't see any holes between the floor and your straight edge. If you do, you just want to bring it in a little bit with a trowel, which I'm getting ready to do here. I'm going to pull it wherever it's needed. And run through with the screed again. And as you can see, you can see it with the camera, there might be a little bit more just in that corner there. And then we'll run the screed through one more time. And that'll be it. Subfloor will be ready for floor installation. how you screed the floor. Cut.